Turning 50 isn't the end, it's the start of a smarter chapter. But what if I told you that 7 little daily mistakes are silently making you age faster? Let's fix that today. Mistake number 1, skipping protein in the morning. Look, your muscles are shrinking already after 50, and if you're still starting your day with toast and coffee, you're just running on sugar fumes. Add eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with protein to your breakfast. Mistake number 2, sitting for hours. Your chair is not your best friend. Prolonged sitting slows your blood flow, hurts your posture, and weakens your legs. Set a timer. Get up every 45 minutes, do 10 squats or stretch. Mistake number 3, choosing low-fat foods. Fat isn't your enemy. Sugar is. Low-fat yogurt or salad dressings are often loaded with sugar and artificial junk. Healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, avocado, your brain and joints need them. Mistake number 4, not drinking enough water. If you're drinking less than 6 glasses a day, your body is drying out. Hydration affects your skin, joints, energy, and digestion. Add a pinch of salt or lemon to help absorption. Mistake number 5, doing only cardio, no strength. Walking is great, but it won't stop muscle loss. After 50, strength training is a must. Bodyweight squats, resistance bands, push-ups, your bones and metabolism will thank you. Mistake number 6, letting age define your mindset. "I'm too old for this" is the fastest way to feel older. Instead, say, "What can I do today to feel better than yesterday?" Mistake number 7, heavy dinners late at night. Your digestion slows down after sunset. Heavy meals at 9 p.m., recipe for acid reflux, poor sleep, and weight gain. Finish your dinner 3 hours before bed, and keep it light. Soup, veggies, lean protein. Fixing these tiny daily habits will make you feel 10 years younger. Comment "fit" if any of these hit home. Hit subscribe, your second chapter starts now.